Hello, people. Welcome to my screen on Forex stock analysis. So let's dive in into you. into Euro USD. Now, on my previous chart, on my previous video where I was calling Euro USD to the downside, but Euro USD was still not ready to start bleeding to the downside. Now, before I proceed with the analysis, with Euro chart analysis, if you haven't subscribed to this page, to this channel, please smash the subscribe button right there. It does not take you anything. You have 5 seconds to do that. Five, four, three, two, one. Now let's proceed to the chart analysis on Euro USD. Now on the daily time frame on Euro USD, in my previous video, I called Euro USD like on my previous video. I said that I expected Euro USD price to to pull back to this yellow bar right here. After this push to the downside, let Euro USD pull back right here, give us a retest and continue pushing to the downside. But that did not happen, and Euro USD just break and close above this yellow bar right here. Well, it happens. The market is telling us that it's still not ready to move. It still want to fulfill some technical levels before pushing to the upside. To the downside. Best believe Euro USD will push to the downside. Just that it's not ready. The market does not owe any trader anything. It's moving on its own. So when it's ready, it will start moving, and when it's not ready, it will not move. It will still be playing around. Now, what I'm seeing on Euro USD right now is that Euro USD is still not ready to move to the downside. It still want to fulfill some technical levels to the before pushing to the downside. Now, in the past, and when Euro USD break above this key level of support, it pull back right here to turn what a resistance. Previous support right here turn resistance. We expect price to continue pushing over, giving us a counter trend line. We draw the counter trend line, price break below it, close below it. We expect price to continue coming to the downside. We have the first touch, we have the second touch, and upon the third touch, price break and close below it. It break and close below it with this daily bearish candle. I said that I predicted USD and Euro USD to pull back to this yellow bar right here and before pushing to the downside. But what happened? Euro USD just neglected this yellow bar right here and push back up again. This is telling us that Euro USD still wants to fulfill some technical levels before pushing to the downside. It came shy of this level right here. It came shy of this level and pushed back again. And pushed back up again to test this resistance level right here. So now let's go to the forward time frame. To see in details of the information that we are seeing on the daily time frame. But best believe Euro USD is still going to drop to the downside. That one is sure banker. Now on the forward time frame. Now on the forward time frame, this was the pullback that we see. On the daily time frame. We have the first touch, we have the second touch, and upon the third touch, price was kind of romancing this level, right? This trend line right here before pushing to the downside, and eventually it break out. When price break here, right here, it came shy of this level right here. It came shy of this level and pushed to the upside. I was expecting something like this. I was expecting a pullback like this on Euro USD, some like this. Some the, Now I was expecting something like this. I was expecting price to pull back after we have a push down right here. Let it pull back right here to this yellow bar right here. Let minor level of support turn resistance before price pushing to the downside again to attempt this level again. But that did not happen. Euro USD just break and close above it, entered, come back again, entered again. This is telling us that Euro USD is still not ready to move to the downside. It's still going to what? It's still going to move. Now, if I should draw this trend line properly again, Euro USD is giving us another setup again. Euro USD EURUSD is giving us another setup again. We need EURUSD to pull back, right? I mean, we need EURUSD to fill this level properly, this empty space right here. EURUSD needs to fill it properly before pushing to the downside. But as it is now, all I'm seeing on EURUSD is another setup again. I repeat, all I'm seeing on EURUSD is another setup again. The first setup did not work. This setup price should have continued pushing lower after a pullback to this yellow bar right here, but that did not happen. EURUSD break and close past it, come back again. You're just kind of romancing this yellow bar right here. This is an intermediate level of support right here. This is an intermediate level of support that is holding this price. Whenever price, as you can see, whenever price come on it, it bounce off, kind of reacting on that trend line. Look at this one. So it break out and close above it, tested it, pushed to the upside, came back again, tested. So this intermediate level of support, it is what whenever price gets to that on it, it will always react. The first setup works somehow, but it works somehow. It came no. Let me repeat that properly. The first setup works. It pushed to the downside. Just that it did not come right here to test this level properly. It came shy of it and bounce off. And bounce up again. When it bounced off, I was expecting EURUSD to pull back right like so, to pull back and sustain below this yellow bar right here before EURUSD price will continue to push lower again to attempt this level right here. But EURUSD did not fulfill that. What it did was just it break above this yellow bar right here, closed above it, tested it, push up, could not. It was just kind of it was unable to work to continue pushing to that side. And presently on EURUSD is giving us another setup again. As you can see right now, as we can see, EURUSD is giving us another setup again. We have, let me adjust this. Good. Let me adjust the trend line properly so that it can touch, it can touch the wick of the trend line. Good. It's better like this. So we have the first touch, we have the second touch, third touch is coming. If the third touch did not break this trend line, it is going to push up again. The fourth touch of it should break and close below it. Now, this empty space right there, EURUSD's price is still coming to fill this space properly before pushing to the downside. We might EURUSD can still blow up again. I want oh EURUSD can still blow up again to come test this outer part of this trend line. Yes, it can still blow up again to come what? To come back to test this outer part of this trend line. I repeat, if EURUSD did not sustain below this resistance level right here, if it should break and close above it, it's coming here. It's coming to test this outer part of the trend line. But if that did not happen and EURUSD is able and EURUSD, let me bold this coin. Good, it's better like this. But if EURUSD is able to sustain below this resistance level, all we just need EURUSD is to fill this empty space properly before pushing to the downside. We have the first touch already, we have the second touch, the third touch to come. If the third touch did not break out of this trend line, the fourth one should attempt it. If so on the third or the fourth one should attempt it and break below. Our deciding factor is to see EURUSD break and close outside this trend line right here, and also come and close below this yellow bar right here. If that should happen, we should see EURUSD coming to attempt this level again. Once once this level is cleared, Euro USD is what? We have the chance, we have the chance to what? To push down to this key level of support right here. But right now, is Euro USD is still forming for a what? For a proper setup. We want this empty space to be filled properly with candlesticks. I repeat, we have the first touch, we have the second touch of the trend line. The third touch is coming. If the third touch did not break, if the third touch did not break this counter trend line right here, the fourth one should break it. So, and if the fourth one or the third one break it, close above it, clear this yellow bar right here, close above it too, break out, retest, break, price push from here, break out and retest, then it's coming to attempt this level, this level again before pushing to the what? To the previous resistance key level. So that is that on Euro USD. So now let's move next to to AUDCHF, and let's see how AUDCHF has played out. Now on the daily time frame on AUDCHF, now on the daily time frame on AUDCHF is pushing to the upside, no doubt. It's coming to this key level of resistance here. Yes, it's coming. It might take time, but AUDCHF will get here with time on AUDCHF. Now, Now, in the past, AUDCF has been on this key level of support, and that level of support has been bouncing the price to the upside. We have an intermediate level of resistance right here, and this intermediate level of resistance has been broken and tested. Now, previous minor level of resistance has now turned support, and AUDCF is attempting this level again. Is coming to attempt this level again. Now, as it is now, we have the first touch of the inner trend line, we have the second touch of the inner trend line, and upon the third touch of the inner trend line, that inner trend line rejected that price to the downside to attempt this key level of support, but that level bounced it back again. It break above it, tested this. Let me let me enlarge the screen. Good. Now, we have the first touch, we have this. Upon the third touch, that level, this was the third touch right here. That level bounced the price back to attempt this key level of support, and what? And that support level bounced it up. It break above this minor level right here. This was the previous resistance level. Price break above it. And what? Tested it for what? For a retest. We have the third touch of this inner. This is the inner trend line, and this is the outer trend line. We have the first touch of this inner trend line, second touch of this inner trend line, and upon the third touch right here, this was the third touch of it, and upon the third touch right here, price that level, third touch, that trend line, it rejected that third touch, and it came again to attempt it. It was upon the fourth one, price was able to clear it. It break out to test the outer part of this trend line. One, it also break and close above this minor level of resistance. This yellow bar right here, it is a minor level. It is an intermediate minor level between a key support and resistance. There will always be an intermediate minor level of support and resistance, and this yellow bar right here is an intermediate minor level of resistance in the past. Now, past resistance has now turned support. It tested the outer part of this trend line and also tested the what? Previous resistance level has now turned support. AUDCHF is going to the upside. Now what makes this pullback to happen is this level right here. When price break out of it, it encountered a strong minor level of resistance, and that level of resistance rejected that price to the downside to attempt to test this outer part of the trend line, and also come back to test this yellow bar right here before pushing to the upside. Now that has been fulfilled. So price is coming to attempt this level again. If it's taken out, when price get there again, if it's taken out, it's coming right here to test this outer trend line again. If this outer trend line is also taken out, we are going to see a retest of it, attempt this yellow bar right here, and what USD shelf is coming right here, done. So now let's go to the forward time frame. To now we're on the forward time frame to see in details of more information that is happening on the daily time frame. Now everything is what is is clear right now. AUD share right now is coming to attempt this level again. This this was the this was the level that rejected the price to the back to the downside. So now AUD chef is coming to attempt this green buy again. If this green buy is cleared, AUD chef is free. As you can see, we have no level right here. So if this green buy is cleared again, but as it is now, price is coming to attempt this level again. If this level is cleared, AUD share price will be free to come right here. So that is that. Buying up AUD share right now. I'm calling AUD share for more buys. Keep buying AUD share. So now our position right here will be my position. We can just take a short of this market. Stop loss comes above here and below here. So now we target this. I'm starting that when price gets here again, it's going to break out. So that is that on AUD chef. So if you have watched this video to this very end, please smash the subscribe button right there. Don't just watch and go. Like this video, share this video, and also comment to this video. Thank you for watching to this very end. See you in the next video. Bye for now.